to get the answer for D, we know that tan 30 is equal to opposite, which is 30, and this 30 here is the full length. So for us to get the length from here to here, we need to do 30 minus 1.5 over the adjacent, which is the length from here to here, and from here to here we are going to label it as x1. So s1 will be equal to 28.5 over tan 30 s1. For us to get our from here to here, we are going to do tan 60 is equal to, from here to here is our s2. So tan 60 will be equal to 30 minus 1.5 over s2. That means our s2 will be equal to 28.5 over tan 60, and our D will be equal to s1 minus s2. The full length minus this length will give us D, which implies that 28.5 over tan 30 minus tan 28.5 over tan 60. This is our D. This is equal to 28.5 over tan 30. Tan 30 is equal to 0.58 minus 28.5 over tan 60. Tan 60 is equal to 1.73. This is equal to 49.1337. Then minus 28.5 divided by 1.75 is equal to 16.285. This implies that our D is equal to 32.852 units. D is equal to 32.852 units. This is our final answer. Make sure to like, subscribe, and join the community. Thank you so much for watching.